Welcome back to Fashion with Bana. Today, I'm bringing you something exciting, cute and trendy earrings. Designs that are perfect for every occasion. From the latest Korean-inspired collections to some of the best wholesale finds, we've curated pieces that are stylish, affordable, and absolutely irresistible. Whether you're looking for casual studs, elegant danglers, or statement hoops, there's something here for everyone. And guess what? This haul features some top-rated earrings from Meesho, Daraz, and Amazon. Stay tuned to explore the best online shopping finds that combine quality with unbeatable prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on these amazing fashion tips and hauls. Let's dive right in and discover your next favorite pair of earrings. That's it for today's haul of the cutest and most stylish earrings. Which design was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, all the links to these gorgeous earrings are provided in the description box, making it super easy for you to shop your favorites. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Fashion with Bana, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest fashion trends and hauls. Sharing is caring, so share this video with your friends who love accessories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more fabulous finds.